repairs are normally classified as either major repairs or minor repairs. Major repairs, they're generally performed by a specialist agency, so it's either the manufacturer or an organisation approved by the manufacturer. The minor repairs, they may be performed in the field, depending on the company's authority and the type of repair. But maybe, just to put it in context, what are major repairs? Well, major repairs are anything that has any change to the design. So it might be a change to blade or hub design, or a change in the governor or control system design. Any of those design changes, they would require a service bulletin, an airworthiness directive, maybe a supplementary type certificate, and they can only be designed by an EASA Part 21 or an FAA Part 21 organisation. The modifications, major repairs that would be major modifications, might be sort of installation of a propeller de-ice system or installation of parts not approved for the propeller. Again, there are changes that can only be performed either by a service bulletin or an airworthiness directive or a supplementary type certificate or a modification designed by an EASA Part 21 organisation. And all of these are normally performed by either a manufacturer or a manufacturer representative. And here's a list of some manufacturers. Minor repairs, that would be nicks, scratches. That's sort of small damage that can be repaired. They may be allowed to be performed in the field. But any major repairs, definitely you would need to have some specialist authorization.